Gab Lagman is a Filipino actor, model, and social media personality born on November 22, 1995, in the Philippines. He started his acting career in 2017, gaining early exposure through television shows like Oh My Guardians, and later appearing in various series and films. He became more recognized for his roles in popular TV dramas such as The Rain in Espaga, Safe Skies, Archer, and Class 3C Has a Secret. Over time, he built a strong fan base, including a large following on social media. Gab Lagman is a rising Filipino actor who has taken on diverse roles in films and streaming projects, including Bad Genius, while steadily growing his career in acting, modeling, and social media.
Double shot!
Guys, nilalasing niyo naman ako.
Congrats!
Love! 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 Nasa bar kasi ako, love eh.
Double shot! Double shot!
Come on, let's just dance. Just a dance.
Hey man, she doesn't want to dance with you.
Come on, what's your problem? Just ask your friend to dance. Don't you know me?
Kita? Ha? Ulit, ha?
I-stalk mo ba ako? Ha?
Hindi, nagkataon lang. O ewan, baka tinadhana talaga para makahingi ako ng tawad sa'yo. Pero dahil hindi ko masabi, sa serbisyo na lang ka akong makabawi lang man sa mga Hindi nga eh. Bihira lang ako makauwi ngayon dahil maraming patayan. Iniimbestigahan namin serial killer daw. Wedding nyo. Sobrang nabili ako sa these lovely ladies right here, bro.
Oh, introduce them.
Best friend si Mia. Kapatid ko si Ivan. Sayang bro, di mo na sila makakausap.
Ha? Hindi ba kami...
Hindi na dapat kita pinakawalan. And gusto kong itama lahat ng pagkakamali ko sa'yo. You made me who I am today. And I know you were a big part of my past. And I want you. I want you to be part of my future again. Mister, may lakad po kasi ako.
Oras? Ano ba yun?
Yeah, puka mo na dito. Patapos na rin po.
Sipag mo talaga. Sige na, ito ko. Pantayin mo to dito.
Ako na po bahala. Sige po. So, yan din yung mga babaeng masyadong depende sa boyfriend. Tingnan mo nga, hindi marunong lumaban sa sarili. Pero tingnan mo si Miranda, marunong palaban. Pero,
Dito ka na! Pag-gulguling kita!
I had a meeting around the area, so I decided to stop by and see you. Kaya baka makita ng maid niyo. Baka matrauma siya.
Sila?
Baka friends lang naman. Ewan? Bakit mo ba crush yung Calix na? Yung sitwasyon mo dati, yan yung pinagdadaanan ko ngayon. Kaya, kailangan kong manalig kahit ang hirap. Busy raw si Sam kaya di kanya masusunod. Sup, pre? Jessie. Enough ka sa akin. Kasi, yun yung gusto ko. Tamang timpla, saktong-sakto sa panlasa ko. Hindi ko na kailangan tumingin pa sa iba pa. Dad, please. I'm begging you, tulungan niyo. I'll do anything. Hindi na po ako magre-rebelde. Please, Dad. Sino ba yan? Bakit mo in-stalk? Some random dude. Sus! Poitoy mo yan, no? Ha? Hotdog! Di ba nga tayo umiinom tapos parang lasing ka na dyan?
Gusto mo, suggest ko kay Press yung analmeg boot? Analmeg ng mukha mo, inggit ka lang, boy!
Okay guys, shut up.